Dude, I'm not feeling too good. I need to go home.
Oh no, what's wrong?
Bro, I think I ate something.
Oh no, I hate that for you. Come here, come here.
Yo, get off me, dude.
I hate that viruses can just walk up in your body and make you their little puppet and play with you like a toy.
What?
Yeah, I wish it were me. I wish it were me feeling this pain. It hurts. Why? Why, God? Are we not your children? Why must you torture us with sickness and illness?